itchy and dry as hell. Look. So just to be honest, I had been wearing that scarf and my hair in a ponytail for like 3 weeks. Obviously I would take it off when I'm like at home and stuff and put my bonnet on sometimes, but pretty much if I left the house I would have that on. So my scalp is extremely dry right now. And if you're wondering, all of this flakes and bumps you see on my skin is because I have an extreme case of eczema and I'm actually suffering with TSW, topical steroid withdrawal. So you see all this on my neck and stuff. I made a couple videos about it, so I will link those, but yeah. All right, let's see what I could do with some aloe then. Let's go. Aloe is the perfect thing to use for a dry, itchy scalp because 1, it is rich in water content, which means it is deeply moisturizing. Aloe also soothes irritation because it contains anti-inflammatory compounds. It also promotes healing because it has enzymes and antioxidants to repair the skin's barrier. So that's why I've been using it on my skin, but I'm also trying it on my scalp now. It also reduces dandruff because it has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. And it also has been shown to balance pH levels. So if you have an acidic scalp, it can help soothe that acid down and bring back the natural pH to your scalp. So that is why people love using aloe on skin, and that's why I'm using it on my scalp. It also contains vitamin A, C, and E, and it's also all natural. Like instead of using something that has a bunch of chemicals, we're keeping it all natural. So if you haven't tried aloe on your skin or on your scalp, I highly recommend it. From there, I just started pouring the mixture into my hands and then putting it right on my scalp and rubbing it in. I didn't focus on my ends pretty much at all because that's just not what we're trying to do here. And this is very messy, so you definitely want to do this like in a bathroom, preferably like in the shower, but obviously since I was trying to film for you guys, I had it myself just over the sink. And yeah, just rub it into your scalp, and it feels so good. Like aloe is so calming to the skin. It feels amazing. So just make sure that you rub that in really, really good to each section of your hair. Once I took off the plastic bag, I noticed that I did have a lot of little bits, but that's okay because I'm going to wash those out in the shower. And my hair felt so soft. Like from root to tip, it felt really soft and hydrated. So I know the aloe definitely did something. However, my scalp was very itchy. So that was a little concerning. I was like, I wonder if this worked or was this just a big fail? Anyways, either way, I had to hop in the shower to rinse this out, so that's what I did. And as you can see by how excited I am and singing, my scalp felt so much better after that shower. So once I washed that aloe out of my scalp, it felt so much better. There was no more itching. There was no more dryness. Like, I felt like a new woman. I really did.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark.
And then I went ahead and got started on my retwist. This time around, I'm only using grapeseed oil and tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another great product for a dry, itchy scalp. It is also antimicrobial, antifungal, and it leaves a little tingling sensation so you don't feel any itchiness on your scalp. So yeah, I was just using those two to go ahead and do my retwist. And I was doing a very lazy retwist, y'all. Also, clock them inches, baby, okay? We are coming for bra strap length, okay? Clock those inches. I also just wanted to say, y'all, it has been a very interesting experience coming on the internet looking so friggin' crusty. But I told myself when I started this channel that I wanted to just share the good, bad, and ugly, whatever I was dealing with in my life. So that's why I've been coming on here so raw and, you know, uncut. I didn't want to just put a band-aid over this and pretend like I'm not experiencing something pretty much life-changing, because I am. This has been a very life-changing experience. So yeah, I am super crusty, but as you can see, I am laughing through it, I'm smiling through it, and I'm trying to make the best of myself and make the best of the situation. And I hope that that just gives somebody else out there that might be dealing with a skin issue some hope, because this can be very depressing. I'm not even gonna lie. Just seeing yourself like this, seeing your skin look like this, you know, it's not normal. And dealing with a healing crisis like this can be scary. So I just hope that I'm giving someone else hope. And I told y'all I'm doing a lazy retwist, okay? I'm already dealing with enough. So if there's somebody in the comments, somebody out there saying, oh, well, her parts ain't even straight and her skin crusty, you know what? Yo mama, okay? Don't get it twisted, okay? I'm healing. I'm not healed.
She got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want.
I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess.
And boom, I pretty much just keep retwisting all the way to the end. It takes a lot of arm power, and I also don't know why I always decide to do this at the very end of the night, but I made it through and I think I look really, really good. This shot my confidence up like 10 notches, like where I was feeling like a 3.5 before, I am back to feeling like a 10 out of 10. Okay, a little bit of crust, a little bit of dry skin ain't gonna hold me down. I hope it is not holding you down either. Go ahead and do your hair, sis. Okay, get back to being a badass. And I love you guys. I will see you in the next one.